Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable app notifications on your Windows 11 lock screen. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button, and you want to select Settings. Select System on the left side, and then on the right, go ahead and locate Notifications, Alerts from Apps and System. Select Notifications again, so right here, go ahead and left click on that. And then where it says Show Notifications on the lock screen, go ahead and uncheck that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.